Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 17. We have tile complete in the shower and I'm so excited to share it with you. Oh, it looks so good. Can you believe how pretty this is? Oh my goodness sakes. Oh, I gotta take a step back. All right, so as you can see, we need some drywall touch up around the opening of that. We're gonna have those glass doors template in a couple of days. But can you believe how fabulous this turned out in here? Cookie was not kidding when he said he needed to be able to sign this piece because it looks like art. All of those grout lines and everything, oh, with the grout in there, it looks so cool. Doesn't that just look amazing? Oh, it's so pretty. And so we've got our nice little niches, just kind of indiscreet, hanging out over here. We didn't want to take away from this accent here in the middle, our decorative panel, but we've got our bench down here low, goes the full width of the shower. And then we've got our beautiful 2x2s, our tile and shower drain is fantastic for that space. But then you can see we've got a zero clearance shower. So there's no curb here at the front of the shower so that they'll just be able to walk right in. Everything is pitched to that drain, as you can see from the elevation change from the seat to the drain and the front to the drain. Oh, it's just gonna work so swimmingly. Down here on this end, oh, it just looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this shower. It turned out so nice. And then over here on this wall is where the on-off valve is going to be. So they're going to turn the water on there and control the temperature there. But then the shower fixture is going to be here on the ends. So it's a big two-person shower. I really like how well it goes with our floor tile. Oh, those pretty little stars. We had our countertop template done the other day, so we'll be looking for it to go in soon. But I really like how the brown dot in the center of those floor tiles goes with that cabinet color also. It's gonna look incredible. And then we'll get our mirror up here. Oh my goodness, friends. Just gonna look so good. Thanks for being on this journey with us. We so appreciate you being here. We couldn't do it without you. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.